And here is the Philips Norelco. This is the Multigroom 3000. This is what the package looks like. 13-piece all-in-one trimmer, 3 hair guards. You got a nose and ear trimmer, 1 stubble guard, 3 beard guards, and then a precision trimmer right there. Tempered steel blades, 2-year warranty. Super awesome. This is going to be just exactly what I need. You get the trimmer itself. Here's the power button. It's already charged. I already have it charged. On the bottom, you have the port for the charging. So it's got a lithium battery in there. So this is the charger for it. Okay, then you've got your guards. So the black ones are a 9, a 12, and a 16 millimeter. Or the dark gray, which is a 3, a 5, and a 7 millimeter. 3, 5, 7 millimeter. Then the light gray is a 1 millimeter, kind of for stubble. Got a nose and ear trimmer. So you just snap this off right here. This, you can do it one-handed even. Okay, so that's what the inside looks like. And you just snap this on. Snap on, like that. Okay. So ear and nose, and then you've got a precision trimmer, which you can go up near your nose. That's what that looks like right there. And then you got a little brush cleaner as well. And you can really tell this is made really well. This is like a tempered steel, very solid. So anyway, this looks like this will be awesome. I'm gonna test it out and see how it does. Okay, so I've got a thicker mustache that I want to thin this out as well. Trim some of this up to cut some of this hair since I'm getting longer hair now. I'm gonna trim this on the side right here. Yeah, works good. Yeah, this works good because with a bigger trimmer, you're not able to get close to your nose at all. But yeah, this thing works great. So yeah, after a little bit more trimming, this is what you can get it down to. I'm actually not sure yet what else I'm going to do, but anyway, I'll do a little shave and we'll be good to go. All right, yeah, so this is awesome. Plenty of power. After testing this out, this does everything you'll need it to. And all these guards are really nice to have. So obviously these, again, are for longer hair. This is gonna be for a longer beard, and then this is gonna be for stubble. Mini guard, it's almost like a one, like on a regular hair clipper. But anyway, yeah, this thing's awesome. Definitely can recommend this for sure. But yeah, it has everything you need. And it's got this bag to put everything inside. So anyway, definitely recommend this. You can definitely check it out.